Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Had to repair the rusted and eaten away grill columns due to salt on the front porch. Installing a new one was not economically viable at this time. Considered welding extensions to the columns and regrouting, but ended up doing it this way to keep it simple and cost effective. Altogether 4 posts, 2 are very badly corroded, 1 is good and 1 is not too bad, but decided to create the cement base for all the columns to prevent further deterioration due to salt. Making a video was an afterthought. It was a rainy day, therefore I used this makeshift shelter for the second one using my wife's umbrella. I made the concrete forms using scrap wood. Third one, concrete poured, so 1 per day. The amount of mortar from the bag was just guesswork, but it worked out perfectly well without any wastage or shortage. This is the second one after removing the wooden form, which was now used for the third one. I used this concrete mix from Home Depot left over from my last project. Managed to complete 3 posts but fell short for the 4th one, so decided to use the rapid post mix to complete the work. Not ideal, but this is a non-critical application. For the top layer, that is the top finish, I'll be using this mix, and here are the 2 trowels for the job. One is to give a curved edge. Here you can see me mixing the cement in the wheelbarrow. I'm repurposing a kitchen wok, it's also known as kadai in Hindi, for this last post as I cannot take the cart there. Here you can see me completing the cement pour on the last one, that is the 4th one. The volume required for this post is less because of the adjacent wall. I fell short of the mix and had to mix some more to top it. In a couple of days, depending on the weather, I'll complete the top finishing layer on all 4, and after that it will be cleaning and painting of the grill. The 4th one is now done. Here's the 3rd one. 1st and 2nd, work done in that order, curing with rag and water to avoid quick evaporation. Thanks for watching, guys.